Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this tablet. So to get started, pull down your notifications, which obviously will give you the toggles. You do so by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then you can swipe down on these toggles once again to extend the list that you can see on a single page. Now, between the toggles, you're looking for the power saving mode, so if it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. And you can see that power saving mode is the first toggle on the second page for me. Now for you, it might be on a different position, maybe it's in the same place, I don't know. But no matter, once you find it, it should be added by default. You can simply tap on it. This will then bring up this pop-up right here, turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme and limits or turns off background activity, some visual effects, certain features, and some network connections. Now, out of this message, there is one very important part of it, which isn't necessarily explained in the best way, and that is the last part, some network connections. Now, what that entails is that it will either turn it off permanently as long as you're not using the device, or temporarily, and it will just kind of check for updates every so often, your mobile and network and Wi-Fi basically. So there's two scenarios. Either if you enable this, you might be getting notifications every like half an hour or so, or you just might not be getting notifications at all as long as you're not using the device. So if we enable this and you lock the device, put it in sleep mode, which that would be considered sleep mode, you're not getting any notifications as long as you're not touching the device, then that means that it's the former. Now if you're getting notifications every like so often but just delivered all in bulk, well then that's the latter. In any case, I'm mentioning this because for some people this will be a very important information, which is just kind of glance over in this pop-up, but obviously for some people might rely on notifications being delivered to them on time or just at all. So I do want to clarify that. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can disable it by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again. And as you can see, this will revert the changes and the device will go back to functioning as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.